Hi guys, this is part 2 and I think I'm letting her leave more time. Yes. I also
Ben,
did.
kakain na tayo,
Oo.
mga sisiw. Patay na? Yan.
Hindi pa, binubuhay ko pa. Kanina ko pa ito hindi pinapainom ng tubig.
Ano ba? Kakain na, puro kayo ganyan.
Alam ko, kakain
Hindi na
na.
lang, maganda ka.
Yay! Maganda ako. Wait. Last time I see the purple just blink his eyes. I see it. I promise. I see blink his eyes. A little bit. Bro, everybody's so bright. Abi, kuhaan mo ko ng tissue. Bilis isa pa. Okay. Please, baby, leave more. Don't leave. Don't die right now. Straight lang natin yung head niya. I'm trying my best, guys, but I'm not an animal. Wait lang!
Ablin, tawag mo si Lolo. Diba?
Napili yung eyes niya. Hello, I'm getting weaker! No! Ayun na. Ano na, mama, alive na? Hindi. Parang hindi. Bro! Tingnan mo yung nakuha mo, naiiyak na sila. Ano, umiiyak na sila. Iiyak na sila. Bro, or I feel purple. Bro, in the cup. Bro, if I see, it's open his eyes and like that, it's still alive. It's still alive. I cannot. Dapat kasi kita mo yung purple tapos ano mo, mo siya. Guys. Little chick guy. I'm so sad. Oh my god. And this is their food. But I just made the purple only eats food, not drinks. I'm so sorry right now. And because I think he's dead now. Because